This. Oh, fish on. This is channel catfish right here, man. Big one.
What? What are you talking about?
This guy caught a few.
You caught nothing.
Look at this catfish meat. Tough.
Boy's hungry, man.
What is up, y'all people? Let's just back at it again today. You already know what we're gonna do today, man. Look, you can see the river. So we are coming fishing today. We're coming fishing for catfish. So we'll see if we're gonna catch them or not, but we're gonna camp overnight. So hopefully we get something tonight. What do you think, bro?
I'm ready to fish. Get some big fish here.
Let's go. Let's get it. What about you guys, boys?
I think I'm gonna get the biggest fish here.
The biggest fish? All right. Bet.
I'm gonna get alligator.
You gonna get an alligator? Let's wait and see what we're gonna get. I'll see y'all in a bit. All right, peace out. Check this out. Pupu already set up his helmet already. So tonight I'm gonna sleep on here. Check this out, man. So comfy, man. I'm gonna catch my fishing pole in the river right there. And I'm just gonna keep my eyes on it, on the helmet right here. When fish bite, I'll just jump down and then hook the fish and reel them in. That's it, man. Simple. Look at this. Fun. Alrighty, good luck to Pupu. Pupu needs some good luck, man. Hopefully I can catch some big catfish tonight. We're already put on the bait, everything. We put on the worm for right now. We're gonna cast it out and hopefully we get some fish and all. Best of luck. We'll see what happens. You ready to cast, bro?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to cast one in? All right, let's go. First cast right here, man. Back at it again. All right. So windy right now. Big, all right. Not too bad. All right, it's Pupu's turn, man. Let's go. It's windy, man. Gotta cast right and went to the left. All right, let's get it. Woo!
I caught a catfish. I caught a fish. I thought I caught weed, like the freaking the seaweed and stuff. Cause it was so hard to reel in. This reelers also sucks.
So right now, we only catch one fish so far. My little brother caught it right here. This guy caught his first fish this year, and I haven't caught anything yet. You guys catch anything?
No, sir.
No.
Nothing, right? So, you know what? When the fish don't bite, that's why you bring a lot of food and a lot of snacks, man. When the fish don't bite, we gotta feast up. We have to eat. So, y'all ready to eat, man? No fish, no problem, right?
Yep.
Yeah, let's go. We're gonna eat. So we got a snack right here. This is called chagleche, and this is called fried mushroom. It's really good. Check this out, man. Got a salt, got a flour on it, and it got a pepper on it. Really good. And we got a fried crickets. Check it out, man. Check this bad boy out, boy. Check this, man. They're man looking, man. Look at this. Good eating, man. Hey, yo. So I got a special guest right here, my buddy right here. So he's gonna try the cricket. Check it out, bro. Yeah, try it, bro. Man, I'm telling you, bro. Tell me, what do you think?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, right? Heck yeah, man. Let's go. Let's eat up, man. We're gonna eat now. We're gonna feast. So, like I say, when the fish don't bite, you gotta feast up, man. Let's go. Let's get it. We're gonna eat right now. Plus a little snack, and then we're gonna feast dinner tonight. Hopefully we catch a big catfish so we can all eat tonight, right, bro? Heck yeah.
Dude, I don't like the way he's staring at me. Hey!
Well, we'll eat it together. 3, 2, 1, 2.
Wait, you do it first. You eat it first.
What?
Is it good?
Good, yeah. Bite.
Oh,
It's
sharp. That's actually really good.
Told you, bro, it's good.
That was better than I expected. It's just the way the eyes are looking at me.
Told you, man. You like the fried mushroom? Good, huh?
So you eat me, I'm gonna
spicy.
kill you.
It's already dead.
I'm gonna fry you up.
It's already fried up too.
Nah, I catch big catfish tonight.
Well, it's just
I'm gonna cook it up good, man.
He's like,
Eat it with rice.
Yeah.
Telling you, boy, it's gonna be good. But right now, We took it easy, right?
Really good.
Oh, fish bite, fish bite, fish bite. Here, fish bite,
Here.
fish bite, fish bite.
Go, go, go.
Fish bite.
I was tugging at it too.
Oh.
That's
Oh,
a
this one's
monster.
Here's a big one. Yo, look at this.
Dude,
Let's
that's
go,
a
let's go.
monster.
Man, I was eating my snack, man. And the fish bite. I got excited, man. People got excited, man. Let's go. Man, I was just talking about how fish gonna bite. I'm gonna cook it up tonight. You know what I mean? And then I look at my pole. Fish on, baby.
Dude,
Let's go.
It's gonna be a monster.
Man, this is a lot bigger. A lot bigger than the one that you caught,
Yeah,
bro.
mine.
For sure, man. That's good.
Oh,
We
it's a
need one,
giant.
man. We're gonna cook it up tonight.
Oh, the giant.
Man, let's go. Finally,
can
fish
see.
on, man. It was windy when we got here, so man, it's flopping. It's flopping. Oh, oh,
Oh, that's huge, dude.
wow. Ooh, ooh. Yo,
Catfish?
check it out, check it out, check it out.
That thing is huge.
Check it out, bro. It's a catfish. So you wanna get it? Get it, get it. Get it. Oh. Stop. Why you hold on. Let it back. Let it hold it. Let it hook it. And then hook it. One yet. Stop. Grab him right by the gill. You got it?
I found my elbow.
Ooh, check this out, man. Let's go. Woo-hoo. All right, we got one right now. I'm gonna unhook the hook and I'm gonna put him on the line. I'm gonna throw him back in the water. Then I'm gonna catch more later tonight and again early in the morning tomorrow. So I'll take this one, man, all day. Look at this size. I gotta say it again, man. Perfect size to eat right here. Not too big, not too small.
Gosh, I just want to like. I know the reel is garbage.
There you go. There you go.
Just gotta kill the other one.
We catch two so far. My little brother caught one. And it's a lot smaller, but we're still gonna keep him. It's good eating. So, and I caught one. It's a lot bigger. That one definitely is going to pot tonight, man. Let's get it, man. Back to eating again, man. Damn, I was eating my food. I was eating my snack, and then I saw it drag it, so I got one. That's good. Fish on. So now I'm back to my snack, man. Back to eating. I recast it, so hopefully we catch another one. That would be nice.
Open and on.
How you like the melon, bro?
You want a bite? Watermelon. Oh, no. My watermelon!
It's good.
Open and on. Solid, open my door. Open and on.
I like it.
Guys, how do you feel about this fish, dude? Let me see it.
It's my fish, okay? It's actually. He's nodding his head that it's me. Yes. See, I knew it. Big brain. I
Yeah.
knew I should have reeled it in. I was like, can I reel it in? And then lost it. Was like, listen.
Oh, this guy. This guy reeled it in. His elbows are hurt right now.
Yeah, I almost fell from the tree. I was
See,
like
bro?
this. I was like, I slipped from the tree and like, I don't know, something happened.
That's okay.
It hurt.
This is what teamwork gets you right here. Teamwork.
Yeah.
You guys proud of this fish?
Big boy, dude.
Yes.
Why is it rocks
purple?
on it? It's a rainbow trout.
Ain't no way.
Rainbow.
So now what?
We unhook it
Just
and leave it in the water for the
unhook
string.
it and then how do you put it on that?
I'll show you.
All right. The fish good, man. That snack was the best ever, man. Crickets, chocolate, and the mushroom fried. Ooh, the best. So far, no more bite except for the first catfish I caught. So we're gonna wait a little bit longer. In the middle of the night, hopefully we get some, get some more catfish. But right now I'm just gonna chill and keep my eyes on my fishing pole. And yeah, that's about it for right now. Check out those kids over there. They enjoy the snacks. They eat the crickets. They eat everything out there. Solar, one day.
What?
Ready?
Yes.
You all having fun?
Yes.
Yes, sir. So far, so good, right?
Yes.
Not really. My elbow hurt.
Because you broke your elbow. That's your fault, right?
I can still make s'mores.
All right. We'll see you on the next fish, man. We're just gonna chill. We'll see you when we catch another fish. All right. Look at this. Look at this. Check this out, guy. I got a fish on. I got a fish on. This is a big one. Ooh. Let's go. This is a big fish, man. This pole right here, I put a burnt meat on it. So it's a big fish, man. It's a big pole too for a big catfish. Let's go. Let's go, man. Ooh, ooh, look at that, look at that. Look at my pole, man, it's bendy. Let's go. Ooh, it's fighting, ooh. Splash. You see that, man? You see that? Ooh, look at that, ooh, jumping. Ooh, jumping. Good fight, man, good fight, good fight. Ooh, put a burn me on this one, man. Check this out. Check this out, another big one, bro, let's go. Another channel cat. Wow, look at this. Look at this bad boy. Look at this bad boy. Ooh. Was fighting good, man. Ah. Man, it was dragging my fishing pole, bro. Dragging it.
Wow.
This is channel catfish right here, man. Big one. Another big one.
Yeah, look.
It's a good one. Let's go. Yo, guys, look. I caught another one.
Oh, yo, that's huge.
It was big, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's with the big one too.
It's bigger than the other one, huh?
Yeah. It just popped in.
Let's go. Let's get it. This is my second catfish right here. Let's get it. Well, who's gonna catch the biggest fish? I forgot.
That guy right
there. You haven't cut.
Just wait, just wait.
Just wait, okay. Check this big boy out, man. Wow, beautiful catfish right here.
Talking to you.
Perfect size. Look at this. It's a nice one. Let's get it, man. Check this out. I catch two already. Two big one, not a small one. Two big one. Go big or go home right here, man. Let's get it. I'm gonna cook one up tonight. It's gonna be great. Alrighty, I'm gonna put them on the line and throw it back in the water again. Let's get it.
I'm gonna, if that butterfly lands,
Ooh, now push it out of the way. There you go. There you go. That one got tangled up by the neck. There you go. Come on. You got tangled up, boy, huh? Yeah, you did. Got tangled up. Now this little one. Wow. Look at this. This is the biggest one so far. Biggest one so far. That one got tangled up. Those two big guys. Oh, don't break my line, man. It's a tiny line. Gotta trust it. Trust not to break. Let's go check that out. Two big catfish and two small ones. We caught the two biggest one, man. Let's go. Right here. We're good, man. All right, let's do another cast. Woo-hoo! Let's get it! Check this out, man. It's pulling my fish pole. Almost got in the water. Ooh, another one. This is a big one too. Oh man, this is white line. I have to be really careful. I have to take it easy on this one. Go. It's alright. Got stuck.
Is it big or stuck?
Yeah, it's stuck. It's dragging in under the rock or under the branch or something. Oh. Oh, free, I think. Oh, yep. Are we gonna get away from the rock? Oh, this is a big one. I gotta take it easy, man. Because it's on the white line, you know?
Yeah.
It's like 10 pound line. So, oh man, fighting good. Look at my pole, man.
He was curving that thing.
Banding, bro. Banding. Come on. Some white line, bro. Don't feel too confident. But this big boy. Look at this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. No, 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 no.
Bro, no.
Check this one out, bro. Fight. Ooh, you see that? You see that? You see that? See that?
Let's go.
Come on, man. I have to get the water. Ooh, bro, look at that. Look at that size, bro. Look at that. Come on, come on. Let's go. Ooh, ooh. This that blue. It looks like a blue catfish, bro. Flat hat.
Flathead?
Look like a flat hat, but blue catfish. I don't know which one it is, but hold on. Relax, relax. Easy, easy, easy.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Wow.
Got another one. Poo-poo got another one.
Third big one. This one's even bigger, huh?
Yeah. A little bit smaller.
Yes.
A little bit skinnier, but the other one's big, man. Flat. Sock, look.
Wow.
Who catch the biggest fish now, boy? Huh? This is my third big catfish, bro. This is my third one. Wow, big one. Well, it's not a flat hat. It's not a channel cat. It could be a blue cat, but I'm not sure. But it is a catfish, so. Look at this. Look at this bad boy. The big head. The head is like bigger than my head, bro. Right, Medics? Check this out, bro.
Huge.
Huge, right? Oh,
Catch on it.
look at this. Look at this.
Wow, boy. Wow, man.
I'm gonna catch a carp.
Yeah.
I'm gonna catch a carp.
You want to catch a carp? Not a catfish? Come on, bro.
The ducks they
Feel bad for my tiny line, bro. Look at this. But I doubled them up, so it should be good. All right.
jealous, bro.
You jealous?
Not fair.
My little brother is jealous of me right now.
Fishing rod.
Because I catch big catfish. And he catching none. Earlier he said he's going to catch the biggest one, right? Ooh, let's go. 3 big catfish right there.
Oh yeah, well,
3 big one.
honestly, I have one achievement that you know.
Get it, let's get
I
it.
caught the
let's
first
get it.
fish.
This is what I like to see here.
Oh,
Look at this big boy. Bad boy, bad boy. What you gonna do? Hey y'all, guess who come through, man? We got a visitor over here. Look, look, look. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
What's up?
This guy again.
Your boy is CC, man, the real chef right here, man. Look, I did this.
And bet you over there. Look, look. We got a visitor coming through.
They call me Frog Master.
Uh-huh. And he built like a frog too, by the way, so perfect. I'm gonna put a new bait, new worm, and I'm gonna cast it in again. Let's go. Hey, good news. No more wind. It's not windy anymore. That's perfect. So when fish bite, we catch that. Eyes pulling. So I'm gonna keep my eyes on it. It's perfect time right now. The sun's setting right now. Look at that beautiful view, man. Beautiful, beautiful view. Check out the view. It's nice. View is nice, but if I catch fish, that will be nicer. Right now, pretty enjoying the sunset. Sunset right now, pretty soon it's gonna be dark, so hopefully at nighttime we catch some more catfish. If not, I'm cool with that because I already caught 3 big ones, so I'm happy with that. Right now I'm just enjoying the view, enjoying the sunset, and hopefully, you know, catch some more, for sure. Let's take a look around. So far, so good. So far, so good. Oh, oh, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Another one. Come on, keep pulling, come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. Oh. Oh, fish on. I'm gonna take the bait and drag it, and I'm gonna hook him. There you go. My life is good. My life is good. Let's go. There you go. Take it. Take it. Come on. Take it. Ooh, catch another one. Ooh, fish on. Fish on. Let's go. Here's a big one, man. Oh, I got stuck. No. Come on. You got stuck by a rock or a branch or something?
Not the Gucci slide.
I think it's a rock. Big one.
Oh, terminal, bro, terminal.
No, I got stuck.
Yeah, pin lah. Good
Okay,
job, good job.
Got it out.
Let's go. Yo, oh, abai tak beli.
Damn, this is a big fish, bro. This is a big catfish. I can feel the power of this fish, man. Look at the line.
Can I reel it?
Never mind.
Oh my
I
god.
want to eat already, bro.
That thing.
Oh, jadi turbine, bro. Ooh.
Actually,
Lele.
I don't believe you, CC.
Wow, yeah.
Stop lying, cuz.
It's coming up.
Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check that thing out.
Oh my god.
You
that's
see the water? You
huge.
see the water? You see the water?
I see every water there.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh,
Look at that.
Woo!
Let's go.
Oh, that's like, oh,
Let's
damn,
go. Another big one.
dude. Huge.
It's my.
It's not fair. Oh,
It's not
Oh, that's
look at this. Look at
That's a
that.
flathead.
It's yellow, huh?
Yeah.
This one's
yeah.
yellow. Let's go. Another one. Fourth cast. Fourth fish right here. Let's go. Fish number 4.
It's tiny. Where's the one?
Tiny, bro.
Where's your fish?
What's your
There's this guy here, bro.
Yeah, bro. Ask him, bro. Ask him.
Oh.
Really?
I'm gonna go figure it out.
Check this out, man. This fish is golden. I catch goldfish. Wow, look at this. This is the biggest one. Out of all, this number 4 is the biggest catfish right here. This number 4 is the biggest one. Wow. It's crazy, man. This is my 4th fish right here. Man, this is the biggest. Look at the head of this catfish, man. Look at that. Size of my hand. Wow, beautiful. Woo, beautiful color too, is yellow. Let's get it. Woo. Look like Pooh is gonna feast good tonight for sure. Not just me though. A lot of people tonight. There you go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go, baby. Another giant right here, man. For you all, it might not be a giant, but for me, I call it giant because I'm happy I caught a catfish this big, man. Let's get it. Woo-hoo. Another one gonna be added on the line. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Look, the squeeze on right here.
Hey, relax.
Wow.
Bro,
not
this is
fair.
my 4th catfish,
It's
man.
not fair.
It's not fair, you're jealous, huh?
Not fair.
I know you're jealous. I know you're
No,
jealous.
it's because you have 2, you know? 2 fishing rod. You use
You know, that's what you call a real
the
fisherman,
chicken.
right? A real fisherman. When fish smell me, it's like, ooh, that's poo-poo. That bait smell good. Let me go get it.
That's it.
Huh?
What? I think it bit one time and it chimed. And
This
I don't
one?
know, I think
This
it's-
one I use bird meat, and then the worm is right here. But I catch with the worm too, though.
Luxe. Yeah, Luxe. I think my worm's gone.
Put a
It
new
might-
one.
maybe gone. Catch a
Yeah,
bigger
this one is yellow.
I'm gonna catch
You
a
see
bigger
it?
one. I'm
You
gonna
see the
catch a
color?
bigger one.
This one is yellow. This one's more dark and gray. That one's gray. This one is yellow. Look at that. Beautiful catfish, man. Good size. Good size.
I pulled them off.
My fishing pole right here got a bite. Along the bottom. Fish is loose in the line right now. So he took the bait and then the line got loose. So when the line gets straight again, I'm gonna snap him. I'm gonna hook him. Be patient, waiting. So I pull and I'm gonna pull. I can see my line is moving. Fish is on it. We went to a hole. Let's go. All right, check this out. Clean it a little bit. Cut him up good, man. Look at this. Look at this catfish meat. Tough. Got a fat underneath the skin. So that's gonna be really tasty after I cook them up. Let's go. Wash them up a little bit and we're gonna put them in the pot. Gonna cook them up with a lot of ingredients and a lot of seasoning. Let's get it. Okay. Check this out. Let's go. Bit. There you go. Water. Let's go. There you go. I'm gonna put some tomatoes on the top right here, boy. Let's go. Alright. Shout out to my bro Chicolo from New York, man. He gave me this recipe right here. He's like, yo, prepare. Cook up some catfish with tomatoes. I was like, alright, bro, I got you. So this is the night, bro. This is for you, man. Check it out. Catfish with tomatoes right here. Alright, we're gonna wait and see the result, man. Hopefully it turned out good and we're gonna feast good tonight. This is Pooper dinner right here. Let's get it. And gotta find the lid. Boom. That's it.
Okay, can I do? You already know what's up, man. Then they put pour down now. Pour it up, rồi được lấy gì cái cao. Cao như xí kịp rồi. They biết sao gọi là there. Damn. We're gonna put the seasoning on both sides. All three. Ama wheel. Mama me etiquette. Seasoning learn đi vậy. What am I dog playing at it? Wow.
Good, bro.
Clawiti. Bro, no puede dar lo on aja.
All right there. That's the best seasoning ever, bro.
No, alama legit no.
Lemon, lime,
Le-
whatever on it.
Check out the ingredient. Lemon pepper, seasoning salt. Ah, le we ko yan ti ay learn ni oi tena. Wa ma ma ka wa we ko de. Ah. Okay. Uli na kene.
That look good, right? Check this out. Can't wait to feast, man. I'm hungry. Boy's hungry, man. Fish all afternoon. Caught four big catfish, and we cooked one tonight. It's a big one. This is the biggest one I cooked. So I cooked the biggest one tonight, and hopefully feed us all. Come with the fam, so let's get it.
You already know, bro. Check it out, man. I love my legit right here. Right now, all I would get it, lama. Put it on like 5 minutes, so wait about another 10 minutes or so, and then turn the other side, and it'll be good, man. But yeah. What all the first catch of the year. I love my legit. You're quite not the way, panne. The
What? What are you talking about?
This guy caught a few.
You caught nothing.
Check this out. It's almost done. Everyone's hungry, man. Can't wait to feast, man. I'm so hungry. Almost done. Catfish with tomatoes right here. Curry cooking. Let's get it. All right, we're done cooking catfish. All right, check this out, man. We're about to feast. Let's go. Perfect. It's smoking up, man. Look at that. Perfect. And then this one, poo cooked catfish with tomatoes. Man, check this out, man.
Yummy.
Man, tomato with the catfish. We're gonna eat good tonight. This is our dinner for tonight.
Yep.
Right? And then we got hot dog. And then we got fish paste. We got eggs. We got the neva. Yeah. That's all we got for tonight, and we're gonna feast. Let's get it.
Too much.
We're about to feast.
Blah. Let's go.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
What?
There you go. Look, you got it. Got the meat right there. Perfect.
You had quite a bit, right? When did he quite a bit?
Alright. Yeah.
You might this year.
How now?
Oh, yeah, dog.
Oh yeah, big catfish.
I forgot what it was.
Let me get this one. Some juice.
Some juice.
Catfish curry with tomatoes
catfish.
right here.
Let's get it.
Okay, whoever want to get it, get it. Let's eat. All I do.
Master, can you give me some?
The low penny, Jana, Adoji low. Which one do you want, bro? This one is good.
Meat.
This is good.
Give him a little juice too.
I just want a little bit of meat because I've tried catfish, but I don't know.
Oh, you haven't tried fish yet?
No,
I'll give you the tail. The tail's the best part.
Do you like it?
Oh no, I took it in half. It's fine. It's just a little bit. Uh-oh.
That's it. That's it. Dry.
Hungary style.
Anybody want Yauti?
Yeah, Uti is good. Come on, man. Oh, one here.
Yeah.
Which one do you want? This one? This one's good, bro. Oh, it looks so good. Look at that.
Maddox, have you ever tried fish paste?
No.
Voila.
You want to try?
Nope.
They're all on there. With the my legit.
Check this out, man. Catfish meat with the neva. The juice a little bit spicy. Man, don't tell me, boy.
Why people pour up on there? That's where I learned my cooking skill from. I'll be better than him.
Tomato, catfish.
Tomato milk is
Curry.
so good now.
Oh, shout out to my bro Chicolo for this recipe, man. You want me to cook it? I'll cook it. Perfect. Love it. Awesome.
So good. Look at these kids. They're enjoying it. You guys like it, huh?
So good, bro. Huh? Look at that.
Can I have some too?
Just smoking this fish. Okay, it's good, bro. I smoke it.
look, Matt.
I got you, bro. Let me grab you some. Yeah, really good, man. Check this out, man. Tell everyone.
It's already 1 in the morning, man.
It's
only 1 in the morning.
Who should do an all-nighter?
I started the morning though.
Still.
Our morning.
So
right?
good.
Yeah.
So me and you haven't never done an all-nighter, have we? Me and Michael have done so many on Ark.
Miss always did one. Play Minecraft till 8 in the morning.
All right, we're done feasting for tonight. It was a great dinner. Y'all like it?
Bro, it was so
Yes, sir.
delicious, bro. I like that the most right there, man.
Oh,
That was so
spicy,
good,
man.
yeah.
Spicy.
Wow, did it go
It's hot. We're full, man. We eat so much. Too bad. Look, the rice. We still got some. You smoked the fish. We eat them all. We got a
Keep that pan
few chunk of meat left in the pan. It was really good. We're gonna wrap it up for tonight. We're gonna get some rest and I'm gonna get some sleep. We're gonna fish early in the morning. Hopefully we catch some more catfish. If we do, we do. If we don't, that's all good. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna enjoy the day tomorrow. So let's see what we're gonna get, you know? And for now,
Kiss my bass. Big old bass.
peace out.
Good morning, beautiful people. People just wake up, man. Damn, last night I sleep so good. Sleep so well, man. And this morning I woke up a little bit late. I didn't get to fish, but I'm gonna fish pretty soon. My little brother wake up early, actually, huh?
Yeah.
I heard he's talking and he catches some fish. Bro, what kind of fish you catch?
One whitefish, a small, and a giant catfish.
A giant catfish.
Sure.
Ooh, he woke up early and he caught a giant catfish.
With the white line and a small hook.
Really?
Yeah.
People miss out.
And it was
Dang.
with Juani's.
Well, at least I get a good sleep, man. It's all good. Well, anyway, I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna go fishing right now. Hopefully I catch a big catfish too, right?
Yeah.
All right,
Actually,
sounds good.
I want the biggest catfish.
I'm about to beat your record, boy.
Nah,
All right? I'm gonna catch bigger than your catfish. How about that?
no. I got the
All
I
right.
won't see.
Anyway, let's get straight to fishing, man. Let's go. Let's wake up. Woohoo! Good morning.
Ready. Put a brand new bait right here. Check it out. We're gonna cast it in and then wait for fish to bite. Okay? Let's go. Oh man, start fresh morning. Hopefully catch a fish, man. Let's go. Oh. Good enough. See what we're gonna catch. All right, let's go. Now we'll have to wait.
All right. People's back in the hammock again, man. Check this out. Oh, feel nice. So it's cloudy today, and look like it's raining, right, Sock? It's raining a little bit. Even I'm in my hammock, I'm still gonna keep my eyes on the fishing pole. Even I'm chilling back here, still gonna keep my eyes on my fishing pole over there. Check it out. This pole is right there. Come the fish pole, cast it in, and it's raining, and beautiful morning, but raining is no good. Woo-hoo. Hopefully I catch a few more big catfish. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. We good. We out here having fun. Let's get it. All right, I'll see y'all when the fish bite. Peace.
Let's go. First catch of the morning, man. Let's go. Finally, I've been waiting all morning. Finally got a bite. Got one. Cat, channel cat. Go grab it, bro. Go grab it. Channel catfish.
Poke me.
Grab it.
Nah,
Grab
it's
by the
fine.
gill.
Just bring it to shore.
Channel.
Put them in the enclosure.
Not too big, not too small. Perfect size right here.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
I got a
Finally
bigger
got
one.
one in the morning, man. Let's get it. Hopefully we can catch more in a bit. All right, we'll see you soon. All right, guys. Everybody's hungry. Everybody's hungry, so I'm gonna fry up some catfish right here. Check it out. I already cut it, everything. Just gonna put a little seasoning. Mix it good. Look at that fat. That look good. Good seasoning, and then we're gonna fry them up. Oh, this piece looks great. A lot of seasoning. Look at that. Ooh, let's get it. Let's get it. Okay. That sounds good too. It's sweet. That's peace. That's a full catfish right there. You're gonna eat good, man. You're gonna eat good. All right, we're eating right now. How's the catfish?
It was great.
see.
Look at that. Ah,
Fry
it's
that
so
thing
hot.
good.
Woo!
You need some pork, bro?
What?
I'm gonna give you some pork.
Alright.
Fry this up.
It's so
good,
hot,
man.
bro.
It's done. I got you, bro. I'll get you some pork. How was it?
Delicious.
Crunchy is good, right?
Very crunchy.
Oh yes. Love it. I eat the tail. Pretty good.
Some nuggets. Sure.
Yeah. Eating pan ne.
Oh,
Awesome. Burning hot.
it went straight down my throat.
Not too good, it matters. There you go.
Big chunk.
Good. Hey, bro.
Oh!
It's hot. You need some help, bro?
Yes.
Just hold on to that
Just like
piece.
hold it and then take bites out of it.
Pull it.
Dang,
There you go.
how?
Oh, you drop that piece.
I'll take
Here. Leave it up there for now. There you go. How's that taste, huh? Mm-hmm.
All meat
Mm-hmm. Let's go.
and quickly.
Solar, what is that, bro? What'd you catch? Let's see this.
Dude, I literally, it was just on the hook. It literally was just on it.
Dang.
So I just started reeling it in, and then I felt it tug. Like after it was like towards the shore.
Was it strong though?
Yeah, it was freaking strong, dude. I thought it was caught in the coral. It's not. Look at that. Oh,
Look at this guy.
sure, dude.
Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up.
Look at that.
Yeah. We're gonna go home now. I mean, we catch a lot of fish yesterday plus today, but today we only catch like what? No, Solar catch 2 more in the morning. I caught 1. That's about it. We'll catch 3 in the morning.
These fish are worth it. Look at these guys. That's a like, that's a comment, that's a subscribe, and that's a notification, bro.
Yes, perfect, right? Anyway, we're gonna go home now. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Have a fantastic day, people.